Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys, something's wrong with my lips. Hold on, let me just fix my lips real fast because this is not it. My lips look so different today. I don't know. I think I use like a different liner. I think it's because I use like a different lip liner. I want to be literally performing today, so like obviously my makeup's gonna be a little dramatic, but it's okay. I kind of like it. I'm excited for today's look. I'm gonna do something like I've actually never done before. I'm feeling like a little lime green moment. I'm feeling kind of like just giving like drag, fierce, lime green, smoky. I don't know. Well, we're gonna kind of figure out and see what kind of where it goes today. That being said, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And also if you guys are subscribed to my channel, welcome back. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. And then also if you guys love today's look, go ahead and rank this look from 1 to 10 in the comments. I'm gonna try something different. So you guys, inside my studio, we have the new BPERFECT Cosmetics, the makeup by ALINNA, the Rain collection. So BPERFECT Cosmetics is always like one of those brands that I feel like BPERFECT doesn't really come out with like crazy collabs. Like they don't really like involve themselves with like cookies or cereal or, you know, fruits or things like that. I love where BPERFECT goes, where they really highlight influencers and they highlight makeup artists. They highlight a lot of people that are really, really talented in the field. So I love, love, love the fact that they do that. A lot of brands tend to kind of collaborate a lot with random things. I just feel like those are just kind of like, you know, so when I do see people that are famous for makeup or artistry, I do get kind of excited because like this is like what they would pick if they had like their own makeup line. So ALINNA, I don't know much about her. I know she looks stunning because I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. So this is the PR. Inside we do have her right here. So she looks absolutely stunning. Like this is like, let me tell you guys something right now. This right here, get into it, you guys. This is like literally makeup that I grew up doing. Like this is the epiphany, that like this is the example and the reason why I love makeup. These cut creases, these blown out shadows, the harsh brow, the nude lip, like this is what I consider like a beat. Like that is what a beat is, like to me. And I know like now growing up and things, makeup has changed and a lot of people have different views on like what makeup is and all that, and I understand, and I'm really, really like, I love all that vibe, but I love like an original beat, and I think she looks absolutely stunning. So you guys can find her on Instagram, and she came out with her rainbow collection. So here is the palette. Now, before we show the palette, I want to show you guys these little, she came out with matte gel liners in multi different colors. I kind of looked at these today, and I think for today's look, it wasn't really going to go with my looks. So I'm gonna set those aside, but I'm actually very, very excited for the palette. So this is the rainbow collection. I mean, I'm saying rainbow because all the colors are like super rainbow. That being said, why not have a new rainbow? I mean, Pride season's almost here. I'm excited for Pride season because there's a lot of stuff coming out and a lot of stuff that we've been working on here. So I cannot wait to share that with you guys. So BPERFECT, this is the Rain makeup by ALINNA. So inside, we do have the palette here. It mimics the entire packaging. Obviously, you guys know BPERFECT is known for like their double open palette. I'm just gonna take the clear. Oh, this is the worst unboxing ever. Here you guys go. So they are known for having like their double mirrored like moment. I mean, obviously, you guys, these colors are absolutely stunning. I gravitated towards the color Sage, and I think that's what we're gonna be diving into today. So I'm just gonna quickly do a swatch. Love, love, love. Yeah, so I mean, why not have this? I think this palette's gonna do really well. I think people really want like an updated rainbow palette or color palette from another brand besides like Morphe, you know, ColourPop, you know, things like that. So it's really cool to see BPERFECT kind of launching these things out. Like this is beautiful. So obviously I'm gonna use the colors in here, and we're gonna do something cool. Like I'm feeling like this lime green, like circular cut crease and lime green blown out moment. I don't know. That's where I'm kind of seeing it. But you guys already know like things might shift as I do my makeup. And I am going on, I am doing a show tonight in downtown LA. Whatever face I create with you guys today is going to be the face that I'm gonna be on stage with. So I hope this works. So I'm gonna play with a lot of these really red browns, and then obviously lime green is gonna be like the biggest focus pop color of today's look. Let's kind of get like the browns and the smoky in the right places, and I'm gonna show you guys where the lime green is gonna go and where it's gonna blow out. So taking my little brush, you guys, I'm gonna jump in this color called Masala, and let's kind of see where it goes. So I'm gonna just slowly blend in this area. I'm gonna try not to get like color here and color here because that's where my lime green is gonna shoot out and kind of do something whatever it's gonna do. So I'm just gonna slowly just kind of get this really pretty auburny, like burnt orange kind of color in that area right there. I'm just gonna slowly just kind of stick with the same color. And you guys, sometimes using the same color and as you're building it, you do create like a really pretty shade. So sometimes it's not always necessary to like use like 5 different shades, even though you guys know I love using 5 different shades. And then that's kind of like where I'm focusing on with all these browns. So I'm gonna do the same thing here. I actually really love this shade. It's always really good, you guys, if you guys get rainbow palettes or like really colorful palettes, to get palettes that have like browns in them for like transition colors. I love where this is going. So just kind of create a weird, I don't know, it's kind of like a weird like layout. I've never done this before. Taking a smaller brush, we're gonna take that same masala color and now we're gonna take this and we're gonna shoot it up, okay? We're gonna shoot it up like this. We really want all this open area because you can see here, like this is where all the lime green is going to be, just like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this brown and just really blend it in underneath my eyes, because underneath my eyes is going to be kind of like really dark and black. I am going to leave a little bit like right here because that lime green is going to kind of come in there and play something and do something, hopefully. As you guys can see here, we're already kind of getting like a weird little shape moment. All right, so now keeping the same brush because I like the consistency and I love like the shape of this brush, especially for my eye shape. I'm going to go ahead and dip into the next shade called Feast. And Feast is almost like a burnt like purple, and I'm hoping it's gonna act like my black shade. Oh, see perfect, see purple, yummy, I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna get this into the crease. That's really pretty actually. I love where this is going. This reminds me of a shade by MAC called Blackberry back in the day. It was like the black shade that people would pick up because they didn't want to wear like carbon, which is the MAC black, but this is like really pretty. So same thing, just go ahead and dip, do a little bit underneath. Wow, look how pretty that looks, you guys. How gorge is that? So taking the same thing, I hope my eye doesn't start watering because usually every single time I do this, it waters. So now I'm gonna take that brush and see how it has like a little bit of orange here and here. Like we're gonna take it down a little bit, but that's really going to define the lime green that I'm about to use. This color called Kajal, it's almost like a navy blue, like almost kind of like, I don't know, it's almost like a navy blue, charcoaly. And I'm just gonna do a little bit right here to intensify this area, okay? So we're just really layering colors. So this is my third color on. Taking whatever colors on the brush, we're just gonna bring it down like so. The palette is pretty much done for now. We're gonna go ahead and use one of my favorite brands, About Face. I love these products. I've been using these on my Pride Coming Up looks for the past few weeks, and I've been so obsessed, and I use these as primers. And we're just gonna go ahead and take some on the hand. And this is gonna be like my base for that lime green shadow that we have in the palette. So what I want is, I want it to be kind of circular here and then kind of come in. And then right here is gonna be shooting out. That's kind of like my goal. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that first. Edge, same thing here. I love these little eyeshadow, like, I don't even know what they're called. They're just like, so About Face, they call them paints. And they just work so well when you wanna like be artistic on the eyes. Okay, so I love where this is going. Now I'm just gonna test run this product. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm just gonna take this lime green shadow. Hopefully it works, and press it on. Oh, it does, look at that. Okay, perfect. So it is very lime green. I like to do like eye and eye. Like, I don't know how people do, like, they finish like one eye and they jump to the next because I forget like what I'm doing. So now I'm gonna take some more of that primer. Now, if you guys are asking, this is the Fluid Eye Paint in Matte from About Face, and it's called Vertical Flowers. I'm gonna get some more on my hand, and this is where we're going to completely cover like basically like this area. Okay, and in my little brush again, I use like a simple little liner brush. We're gonna get this on the bottom right here and then just kind of bring it in. Okay, now as that dries, we're gonna do the same thing here. You see guys where I'm going with this? Kind of like alien-y. And I'm doing this just to save time because right here is literally drying. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Cute. So taking my other brush that I used to apply all this, we're gonna make sure all this is dry. And everything seems dry, so now go ahead and take that lime green color and just pack it on. I might wanna put some yellow on here because yellow's really going to make it super lime green. I actually think lime green and yellow would be fierce. And I'm just really taking my time, you guys, and just really pressing it on and getting it as lime green as I can. The lime green, it blends really well, so you can take it like completely out. I really want to see what yellow looks like on. So there's this yellow here called Parade. Take a little bit of that yellow and let's just kind of, oh my god, look at that. The yellow really makes it like pop. Yeah, note to self, lime green and yellow. Wow. So I'm just gonna finish applying this lime green. Look at how pretty that looks. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm gonna look so crazy on stage, but whatever. Now, I'm gonna use a black liner and I'm gonna line the bottom, but only on the edge because we really like this open area right here. Just like that. Just a little bit. We're gonna dip. I really love the consistency of that color called Kajal. It's like that blue, navy blue color. And we're just gonna take it, we're just gonna clean and blend out that black pencil. So it gives like a really sharp moment on the bottom. It kind of gives you like, I call this like the under eye wing, because it kind of gives you like this illusion of a wing, but it's not really a wing. Wow, you guys, I am super obsessed. Okay, so now taking out a liquid liner, obviously you guys know like I love my jumbo like over the top liner, but I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna really clean this up right here. Yeah, that's an eye. And today we're gonna go ahead and use some not like so like big lashes. We're gonna use something more on like the smaller side. I mean, obviously I would literally put these on, but I feel like this would just cover it. So we're gonna put on something smaller. So as that dries, get some mascara on. Okay guys, so my false lashes is drying. Give me a few seconds. Let me put my hair on and some lashes and show you guys the final look with a little BPERFECT rain. Bam! You guys, my eye came out super perfect. Like, wow. It's like a weird little like spotlight. I don't even know what it is. But am I not feeling my lime green fantasy? And I even dyed my hair today. We did it. We finished. We got ready for the gig. I'm literally late, and so I'm gonna wrap this video up really fast. I had so much fun doing this review with BPERFECT. Congratulations to BPERFECT for another amazing launch. I'm feeling gorge. Like, I'm actually feeling like this is a little spot eye moment. I like it. I'm actually okay with it. Like, I don't even want to take it off. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling ready to get on stage and slay tonight. So you guys, I had so much fun. Thank you so much for tuning in on this video. If you guys are shopping on BPERFECT, go check out this new collection. I love you guys so much. Happy DragCon weekend. If I see you guys out at the after parties, please come by and say hello. Other than that, hi. You guys, I'm feeling so gorgeous. I just want to go like perform already. All right, guys, I love you. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you guys hit this video thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. So a quick little glance, get into the eye. It's giving. Until next time, I love you guys.